This engine didn't explode, it didn't catch fire, it died, because one small part stopped rotating the way it should. A bearing has one simple function, to reduce friction while a shaft is rotating. Without a bearing, rotation turns into direct friction, and friction always wins against metal. Inside a bearing, steel balls rotate with precision. The load is carried, the rotation stays smooth. As long as lubrication is sufficient, the engine feels normal. That's the problem. Failure never arrives suddenly. When the lubricant dries out, temperature rises, and the surfaces begin to wear. The bearing is still rotating, but no longer straight. This is where the engine starts to lie. It sounds normal, but vibration increases and engine power begins to drop. The shaft loses balance, vibration intensifies, seals start leaking, belts go out of alignment. The engine doesn't stop, it keeps running, while destroying itself. Since the Industrial Revolution, bearings have been the foundation of modern machines. Without bearings, there are no high-speed engines, no heavy equipment, no industry. This engine didn't lose to heavy load. It lost because one small part lost its function. In the world of mechanics, what keeps a machine alive is often not power, but stability. Follow if you want to learn more about automotive, technology, and engineering.